Hello students, welcome in maths video. Today you will learn unit number 12 geometry. Now what is geometry? Geometry is the branch or part of the mathematics to learn the shapes and sizes. Okay. So, here in previous class, that is first standard, you learn about the shapes. Which shapes these were? Circle. Identify these. Triangle. Rectangle. Square. These are our basic shapes. But in daily life, you see many things around us. हम डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं हमारे आजू बाजू में और फिर हम उनको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि ये कौन सा शेप है. राइट नाउ अभी आप लोगों को कुछ चीज़ें दिखने वाली है. यू हैव टू कंपेयर देम. क्या कंपेयर कर सकते हो? कैन यू सी? नहीं कर पाओगे क्योंकि ये जो शेप्स है वो डिफरेंट है और ये तो हमारे सामने जो चीज़ें हैं वो डिफरेंट है. राइट. तो ये जो चीज़ें है ना, दिस थिंग्स आर ऑफ solid shapes. Solid shapes are all around us. They are three-dimensional. Three-dimensional मतलब, look here. Now they have breadth, they have length, they have depth. Here only length and breadth. So this is the difference in this shape. So these shapes are known as circle, triangle, rectangle and square. 2D shapes. इनको क्या कॉल करते हैं हम? 2D shapes because they have only length and breadth. Okay. और इन जो हम डेली लाइफ में देखते हैं जैसे कि अभी now for example here is match box in my hand. Can you see? क्या वो match box rectangle है? No. क्योंकि match box को लेंथ तो है, ब्रेड्थ भी है और साथ में डेप्थ भी है. राइट. फेसेस, एजेस एंड कॉर्नर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेयर टू और मोर पॉइंट जॉइंट्स, वेयर टू और मोर लाइन्स जॉइंट्स, दैट प्लेस इज नोन एज द कॉर्नर. जब हम फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं जहां पर एक से ज्यादा, अभी ये 2 लाइन्स है एंड देन थर्ड लाइन, दैट प्लेस मेक्स अ कॉर्नर. वो कॉर्नर होता है. ओके. एज, ये जो लाइन्स होते हैं दे आर नोन एज द एज. एंड फेस, दिस फुल कलरफुल पोर्शन, दैट्स नोन एज द फेस. 3 new words are for you. Corner. Corner means the point where 2 or more lines joined. Okay. Here 1, 2 and 3 lines are. Okay. So this point is corner. Next, edge. This is edge. And face, this full face. Okay. This full is face. Now look at the another figure. Here this full portion is also face. Here this line is curve one, that is edge. But in this shape these are the curved surface. Now look here, you have bottles like this at home. So these are totally round, curve. Okay, curve in shape. So that surface is known as the curved surface. Now we will learn about the first shape. First shape is cube. First shape is cube. Look here. A cube has 6 equal flat faces. 6 equal flat faces. 12 edges, 8 corners. Now, a best example of the cube is, you can see here, you have dice at home and you are playing that game. So you can see this is the example. This one box is like square shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. Next downside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8 corners. Now here edges we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. Then 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, and then bottom side 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. Now faces. We will count faces. This one is first face. Okay. Then this side second. Okay. Then third. Then fourth. Fifth. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is last 6. So total 6 faces. Okay. So a cube has 6 equal flat faces. Flat, these are flat. All are flat. This side is flat, this side is flat. 12 edges, we count the edges, and 8 corners. इसके faces equal होते हैं just like square. Square, all shape is square. All faces are equal. Now another example we have. First figure we identified, we learn about the cube. हमने पहली figure cube सीखी है. Now second one, cuboid. A cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges, 8 corner. Similar to cube, cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. But different क्या है कि इसके सारे faces equal होते हैं and cuboid के opposite. Now see, this is the matchbox in my hand. It is the shape of the cuboid. ये cuboid का ही shape है. You can see. So इसके opposite faces same है. Opposite इसके ये opposite faces are equal. इसका opposite ये तो equal है. इसके same अगर आप count करोगे तो 6 flat faces है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flat faces and opposite faces are equal. Okay. Corner you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corner. Edges you can count. आप edges count कर सकते हो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. You can count again. See, इस तरह से edges count करो. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये 4 हो गए. नीचे के 1 border. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understood? So 12 edges. Next shape, sphere. सब लोगों को ये चीज बहुत पसंद है, राइट? व्हाट इज इट? यस, इट इज अ स्वीट लड्डू and shape of a laddu is just similar to spear. Okay, and another one example is, look here, what is it? Orange, and the shape of the orange is also spear. Now look, yes, it is the globe, model of the earth, and shape of that is spear. You have to draw a circle, okay, and then what you have to do, you have to, yes, you have to color it to show the solid sphere. if you, आप लोगों ने अगर इसको कलर नहीं किया तो ये पोर्शन, एम्प्टी पोर्शन सर्कल होगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई योर मार्क्स विल बी रिड्यूस इन द एग्जाम. आपके मार्क्स कम हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आपको ड्रॉ करने के लिए कहा था सॉलिड शेप, एंड सॉलिड शेप दिखाने के लिए आपको यू हैव टू कलर इट, ओके, सो दैट इट विल बी स्पीयर. अगर कलर नहीं है तो यू कैन शेड इट, ओके, विथ अ पेंसिल. नेक्स्ट है cylinder. Cylinder is another example. Now cylinder generally you use all kinds of the bottles, including your water bottle. All are the shapes of the cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. Now look here, one face which is curved, then this one face second, and this third. So these 3 faces, this is curved surface and these are flat. ये flat है, right? This one is also, bottom is also flat. So 2 flat and 1 curved surface. So total how many faces? 3 faces. 2 of them are plain and 1 is curved surface. And it has only 2 edges, no corner. Now which edge? This one. आपको यहाँ पर ही edge दिखाई देगी. This is curve edge. This is curve edge. Now हम ड्रॉ करते वक्त इसको ऐसे लाइंस लगाते तो ये एज है क्या? नहीं, वो इमेजिनरी एज है. वो क्या है? इमेजिनरी एज. क्योंकि हम इसको ड्रॉ करने के लिए, हमें ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम ऐसे कर नहीं सकते ना, तो हमें वो इमेजिनरी एज उसकी दिखानी पड़ती है, ये वाली. पर यहाँ पर एजेस नहीं है. तो कीप इन माइंड, अ सिलेंडर हैज 2 edges, 1 curve and second curve, and 3 faces, okay, no corners, कहीं भी कॉर्नर नहीं है. नेक्स्ट शेप इज राइट कोन. कोन तो सबको पसंद है, राइट? कोन की शेप की होती है बर्थडे कैप. कोन की शेप की होती है सैंटा. हियर इज सैंटा's cap. It is of the cone shape, right? So here is a cone which you liked very much, ice cream ka cone. So a cone has 2 faces. इसके 2 faces होते हैं. 1 curve. अगर ये देखते हो तो ये curve है पूरा का पूरा. And bottom this which is plain. ये जो face है वो plain है. And this one is curve. ये curve है. It has 1 edge, 1 corner. 1 edge कौन सी? This one is the edge. ये edge है curved. And 1 corner, the tip, that is corner. Corner is also called as vertex. Corner को हम also call करते हैं vertex. Same name. Corner and vertex are the similar. So dear student, your homework is to draw the shapes. आपका homework क्या है? To draw the shapes. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. ये शेप ड्रॉ करके उनको कलर करने का काम आपको करना है. ओके, This is your homework. Now we will identify the right. This one. ये हमने नहीं किया था ना, पहले हमने शेप समझ लिए. Now the book. Book is of which shape? Tell me. Cuboid, orange, sphere, cone, cone, dais, cube, bucket, cylinder. Very good. Cap, cone, candle, cylinder, football, sphere, brick, cuboid, cube, cube, balloon, sphere. Next is box. Look at the box. Cube, tent. This tent is of the cone shape. Can, cylinder, and briefcase, cuboid. You have to write down here. Okay? Write down the answers and homework to draw the shapes. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.